If you are a computer science student, learning data structures and algorithms is very much important for you. My name is Pawan Kumar and I welcome you to my channel. I am going to create a series of videos on data structures and algorithms to help you learn these important concepts of computer science. Let's get started. Data structures are the way we store, manage, and manipulate data, whereas an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure of solving a problem. If you consider algorithms as a car that takes you to a destination, data structures are the fuel for your car. Data structures and algorithms are omnipresent. They are literally everywhere. For example, Google PageRank algorithm appropriately gets you the pages after entering the search keyword. After subscribing to this YouTube channel and enabling the notifications, you will get notifications as soon as I post new videos. For this to happen, there is an algorithm running in the background. Do you consult a good doctor who uses the right medicines to cure your disease, or will you see somebody else? Obviously, we care for our health and we will choose a good doctor. In the similar way, to build a software product, clients will always choose good programmers with abundant knowledge in data structures and algorithms. So do the companies while they recruit. Learning data structures and algorithms will drastically improve your problem-solving skills. With the help of these skills, you may have an opportunity to work with global tech giants. Yes, companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and etc. focus more on data structures and algorithms. In fact, they spend a lot of their development time in choosing the right algorithms and data structures for their software products. This is one of the primary reasons why these companies are able to deliver robust software products. While you are in the coding interview, these companies focus more on testing your knowledge in data structures and algorithms. There are many other uses of learning data structures and algorithms. It is just not a subject that you will come across during the graduation, but it means a lot more than that. If you are good at least one programming language, you can start learning data structures and algorithms right away. Apparently, data structures and algorithms can be implemented in any programming language. If you are a beginner to programming, I recommend you to make yourself strong with the basics of any one programming language and start this journey. I'm going to teach how to implement data structures and algorithms using C, Java, and Python programming languages. So for every concept that I'm going to discuss, I'm going to make subsequent videos which contains the implementation code in C, Java, and Python. Make sure you subscribe to VIDHVAN and never miss an update by enabling the notifications. See you in the next video.